Hi dear students, welcome back to our channel and Vinay Kumar Basics of Physics. Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the one of the most important topic in the 10th class chemistry. What is Aufbau principle and how the questions can frame on the basis of Aufbau principle in your public examination. So let's discuss, children. So dear students, we know about the electron configuration. What is electronic configuration? Distribution of electrons into the shells and subshells. That should be called electronic configuration. While writing the electron configuration, you have to must follow the three principles. First rule is Aufbau, second one is hunds rule, it is also pronounced as hunds rule, and third one is Pauli's exclusion principle. So these three rules are very important to write the or to fill the electrons into the shells, subshells and degenerate orbitals. So that much of importance is given to these topics in examination point of view also. So first we can go for the Aufbau principle. What is Aufbau principle? During the distribution of electrons into the shells and subshells, first we have to fill the orbitals which are having least energy. After filling the electrons into the lowest energy orbitals, then only we have to fill the electrons in the highest energy shells or highest energy orbitals. That is called Aufbau principle. Simply we have to say the electrons must be filled in orbitals is increasing order. That is also called as Aufbau principle. Children, on board statement it is clearly mentioned. Look here, Aufbau principle states that during the distribution of electrons, lower energy orbitals are going to be filled first. First, lower energy orbitals are going to be filled. After that only higher energy orbitals are filled. This is called Aufbau principle. So dear students, according to the Moller chart, we will confirm which is the least energy and which is the highest energy. Look at this diagram. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f and 6s, 6p and 7s. In your textbooks also diagram it is there. The distribution of electrons, first we have to fill in the among the all these orbitals. You have to look at the diagram. Here n is equals to 1. N is equals to 1. That is what? First shell. And when n is equals to 1, L value is 0. L value is 0. Then n plus L value is what here? N plus L value is here 1. 0 plus 1. First we have to give the electrons in the first s orbital. And next thing is what? We have to give the electrons in 2s. Next 2p. Next 3s. Next 3p. 4s. Then 3d. 4p. 5s. So we have to follow the arrow marks. First we have to give the electrons in the 1s. L value is 0. N value is 1. Next we can go for n is equals to 2. Again L value is 0. And next n is equals to 3 here. After 2s we have to go for 2p. Next 3s. Next 3p. Next 4s. Next 3d. Next 4p. Next 5s. So by following the Moller chart we have to observe all the orbitals. So here 1s is less than 2s. 2s is less than 2p. And s like that. 3s is less than 3p. Like that. 3s is less than 3p and 3p is less than 4s and 4s is less than 3d and 4p is less than 5s. So you have to follow the Moller chart to distribute the electrons. So this is the order you have to follow. First we have to fill in the 1s, next 2s, next 2p, next 3s like that. So children, you have to observe while we are coming distributing the electrons into this one, the n plus L values increase, n plus L values increase in this manner. Clear? So this is the simply about the Aufbau principle up to your school level. Okay children, now let's discuss about the one example in the same video. Children, what we are going to discuss example regarding the Aufbau principle, that is the fifth question in our textbook in the application of concepts. The question should be like this. This is the very important for public examinations. Which rule is violated in the electronic configuration? Which rule is violated in the electronic configuration? And the configuration is like the children: 1s0, 2s2, 2p4, 2p4. So children, here 2 plus 4, that is the 6. That is the configuration of carbon. So here this is the violates the Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle. This configuration violates the Aufbau principle. Why? Because according to the Aufbau principles, first the orbitals which are having the least energy, they are going to be filled. That's why here in 1s, 2s, 2p4, 1s, 2s, 2p4, 1s is the lowest energy orbital among the 2s and 2p. Already we discussed. What we discussed, children? 1s is less than 2s, 2s is less than 2p. That's why here first we have to give the electrons in the 1s orbital, then only 2s, then only 2p. So that's why that should be corrected as the corrected configuration. Corrected configuration like this: 1s2 and next 2s2 and 2p2, because the capacity of s orbital is how many electrons? 2. So that's why we have to give only 2 electrons in the s orbital. That's why the correct configuration is what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, children. So this is the way to identify the Aufbau principle. So sometimes he may ask only about the which rule is violated, and sometimes they may be asked write the correct configuration also. That's why you have to observe the questions very carefully. So children, this rules, this is what, this according to this question, this configuration violates the Aufbau principle because 1s is the lowest energy orbital compared to the 2s and 2p. That's why the electrons must be filled in the first orbital 1s, then after 2s, then after 2p. So this is the correct configuration of carbon, children. I hope you understand. If you can understand, like, share, comment the video, share our channel to your friends also. Thank you for watching.